7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Good. How do we do this? We go into the men's side and at the same time I move the right hand to the side. Why? Because I do 1, body still close, but on the 2 I need to bring the girl away. 2, and I don't want to disturb my axis, okay? So what I make is connection here on the upper thigh and go with her to the side. 3, and you see my leg is not there, it went here, 3, and I put body weight on it. Now with the frame I will block the girl here, block, and I make break. Then I bring the girl back with the right hand, I push her back, 5, and then with my frame I turn her to the side and change my body weight to the left, 6. Then we close both, 7, and then we make the break, 8, 9, and basic 2, and we close. Okay, that's it. Okay, that's it. Magst du ein neues Video anlagen?